If you or a coworker are showing symptoms of COVID-19 and you want to know within 20 minutes if you have the virus, then the antigen test is for you. A is for antigen testing. Testing yourself with this kit is simple. First, take the swab out of the package and insert it into your nose and swab the walls of your nose for 15 seconds. Next, place the swab in the small bottle of solution and stir it 20 times. Then put the white cap back on, take the purple cap off, and squeeze 3 drops onto the test device where it says S at the bottom. Wait 20 minutes for your results. Don't use any results past 25 minutes. Interpreting the results is simple as well, and we've included a link in the description where you can download a PDF with a picture of what all the results mean so you can quickly tell what's positive, negative, and invalid. If you'd like more information on how to properly perform a rapid antigen test, then check out this video above. In the next video, we'll reveal what the gold standard and most accurate test for COVID-19 is and how it is the most reliable option in keeping your business safe. We'll see you in the next one.